Well, hello, third grade. It is Thursday, and I will certainly be glad when we can all be back in the classroom on Monday. Not sure about you, but I like being in our classroom. All right, so it's time for spelling dictation for list 8. So you need to take out a sheet of notebook paper, and you're going to do the following header on your paper, just like we've done for the past 8 weeks. Name and number, and then today's date, spelling 3, dictation list 8. And I'm going to do the same thing that I do in class. I'll read it, and then I want you to repeat it. Then I'll read it again, and then you write it. Now, I am not going to repeat it as many times as I do in class because you can always stop the video and rewind it and listen to it again. So I'm not going to read it as many times as I do, okay? All right, so once your header is done, then we are ready to start. Number 1, listen. God wants me to love my neighbor. Repeat. God wants me to love my neighbor. Now write. God wants me to love my neighbor. Once you have that sentence done, skip a line and put number 2. Number 2, I had fruit juice with my lunch. I had fruit juice with my lunch. Once you have that sentence complete, then go ahead, skip a line and put number 3. The Lord gives us peace and grace. The Lord gives us peace and grace. The Lord gives us peace and grace. And once number 3 is completed, skip a line and put number 4. Which piece of candy do you want? Which piece of candy do you want? Which piece of candy do you want? Then skip a line. And the last one, number 5. The price of the book is 1 cent. The price of the book is 1 cent. The price of the book is 1 cent. Okay, then skip a line, and we have our vocabulary. Now remember, you are not writing the sentence, you are writing the definition of the word that I say. I will use that word in a sentence to help you maybe with the understanding and meaning of the word. Vocabulary word number 1, grace. What does the word grace mean? God gives grace to each one of us every day. Grace. Vocabulary number, then skip a line, put number 2, city. What does the word city mean? I would love to live in the city. City. And number 3, neighbor. What does the word neighbor mean? My neighbor is a nice person. Neighbor. So again, for vocabulary, I just want you to give me what each word means. Okay, then once that is done, let's look over here, turning this in. What you can do is have your parents take a picture of your paper. They can upload it into Google Classroom, and there is an assignment there in week 9 of online learning that says dictation, and you can go in there and they can upload it and it'll come directly to me. Okay, so proofread your papers. Make sure that you have capital letters. Make sure you have punctuation marks. And make sure that you have every word that I said in each sentence. I made these sentences short so that way be a little bit easier since we're doing it online. All right, guys. Again, it's Thursday. Have a great day.